From the bedrooms at Babington to the bathrooms in Istanbul, we use Ottomans throughout the houses. You will see them at the foot of beds or accompanying dressing tables in our bedrooms. They also make handy seat to chat to someone in the tub in our bathrooms. They also act as flexible seating in some club spaces. An Ottoman is a deeply upholstered seat of any shape introduced into Europe in the late 18th century from Turkey. Where piled with cushions, it was the central piece of domestic seating. One of the early versions was designed as a piece of fitted furniture to go entirely around three walls of a room, and from this evolved a smaller version designed to fit the corner of a room. Generally, Ottomans have neither backs nor arms. They may be an upholstered low couch or a smaller cushioned seat used as a table, stool, or footstool. The seat may have hinges and form a lid whereby the inside hollow is used for storage of linen, magazines, or other items. The smaller version is usually placed near to an armchair or sofa as part of living room decor, or may be used as a fireside table. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you metal frame Ottoman design ideas. This video contains a collection of beautiful and practical Ottoman design ideas which you can copy and duplicate at your own workshop. You can pick your favorite design and try to make it at home or show it to a local workshop so that they can make one for you. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. So we advise you to watch the video until the end and to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. For those of you who would like to purchase Ottomans rather than making them by yourselves, we will put affiliate links you can use to purchase selected Ottomans in the video description. If you use our link to make the purchase, we will get some commission which will help us grow our channel. So make sure to check the items in the links put in the video description after watching the video. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when you upload new videos. Our YouTube analytics shows that more than 90% of our viewers are not subscribed members. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to make more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Ottoman footstools are often sold as coordinating furniture with armchairs, sofas, or gliders. Other names used for this piece of furniture include footstool, tuffet, hassock, hof, tamti, or humpty. Placing a footstool beneath someone's tired soles, or better, gifting them peace, is nothing less than a royal gesture. Royal because the practice of using footstools can be tracked back to the Ottoman Empire and probably even some parts of India. The The footstool culture for those days later gave rise to an army of equally comforting objects: the hassock, puffet, tuffet, and Ottoman. As the 19th century progressed, Ottomans became circular or octagonal, either with arms radiating from the center, which divided the seating space into sections, or with a central padded column, which often support a plant or statue and against which one could lean. The growth of club life stimulated the proliferation of Ottomans, many of which also came to have hinged seats underneath for holding magazines and the like. The Ottoman footstool, a closely allied piece of furniture, was an upholstered footstool on four legs, which could also be used as a fireside seat. By the 20th century, the word Ottoman had come to encompass both forms. Traditionally used as a footrest or stool, the Ottoman is a versatile piece of furniture that designers choose for several different reasons. It is a coffee table in some houses, and in others, extra seating for guests' overflow. Ottomans have evolved considerably throughout their journey to modern interior design. Families in Turkey covered them with cushions for group seating like modern sofas, without arms and backs. Beyond providing functional seating, they were the central design element within the family common area of living room. When the idea of Ottomans arrived in Europe, artisans created an imitation of wrapped around three walls. Over time, the concept was scaled down to a smaller version that could fit into one corner instead of three. The 19th century saw Ottomans transform into their familiar octagonal and circular shapes. At that time, seating was divided with arms or padded columns that usually featured objects like plants and statuettes. The growing popularity of nightclubs ensured the spread of Ottomans to new audiences, ultimately resulting in the furniture's modern status as a standard household item. For the club seating, manufacturers added magazine racks. Plain and simple, Ottomans are adaptable for use in any room. These padded and upholstered bench-like footstools are sometimes used as sofa alternatives, much like the original Turkish-style furniture. Modern designers have created storage Ottomans by hollowing and upholstering the inside, effectively adding more functionality to the furniture's long legacy. Many designer spaces and living rooms now feature an ottoman or two in place of the traditional coffee table. The future is undoubtedly bright for the footstool from Turkey. We love using Ottomans because of their versatility and also because they give a softer, more relaxed vibe to a space than a coffee table, while remaining just as practical. When made hollow with a hinged top, they are great for storage. They can also be used as a footstool or puppet when the occasion calls for it, and they can perfectly hold food and drink with the addition of a nice tray on top. Ottomans give you the chance to put your feet up and get comfortable in a bedroom, which otherwise may not have space for a sofa or chaise. They are casual and flexible. You can use them as an informal coffee with a tray on top, and depending on the upholstery detail, they can either look very decadent in a room or dressed down and casual in a cabin. In both scenarios, they make the space feel softer and more usable, while making the most of the space in what could be a small lounge area at the end of a bed. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of beautiful and practical metal frame Ottoman design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.